You searched how to buy shares of Wharf Real Estate Investment Company Limited. Wharf is a Hong Kong real estate investment company listed on the HKEX under ticker 1997. HK, and this video explains the steps in an educational manner and is not financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 1997 HK to locate the Hong Kong listing. Select the result that matches Wharf Real Estate Investment Company Limited to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have the intended security. Make sure the listing shows Wharf Real Estate Investment Company Limited and the market HKEX alongside ticker 1997 HK. Press invest or buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until market open, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.